I'm pretty busy, but I can take a minute to explain this problem. The LCM or least common multiple is 18. We must change both fractions into 18ths. Now we ask ourselves, what times 9 is 18? Yes, 2. So you will multiply the 4 on the top by 2 as well. That equals 8. We must now change 1/2 into something 18ths. Ask, what times 2 is 18? Yup, 9. Simply multiply the top by 9. And because it is a 1, it is still 9. Finally, we can add these fractions together because they have the same denominator. 9/18 plus 8/18 equals 17/18. Did you get that answer? Great work if you did. Now I must get back to work.